Hi friends, I hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a video on the affordable serums for your own hair or for anybody else at your home. So let's begin the video without wasting any time. So let me begin with the Argan oil of Morocco. So this is the packaging. It's a little costly one. It says argan oil penetrating oil, all hair types. So this is the one, and let me show you the packaging. It's like golden color, and this is how it is. And yeah, this is the packaging. So this is one. Next one is Livon Shake and Spray Serum. It says Express Salon Finish Hair. This is again very affordable. It's priced at 150 rupees only for 50 ml. And you will always find discounts on Nykaa, Purple and Amazon always. I will leave the product links in the description below. You can check them out. This is the second one. The next one is from Parachute. And this is Coconut Serum Oil. Okay. This is again for 50 ml. And let me see how much does it cost. Yeah, so it retails for 170, and again you will find discounts online, so please do check it out. This was the third one. The next one is again a very affordable range from Streax Pro Hair Serum Whiter Gloss. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. So this is again no, it retails for 180 rupees. And it's really good. Its quantity is 100 ml. It's for 100 ml. So this was the one hair serum. The next one is, it's a recent purchase. I have tried for almost I think 2 times so far. It definitely gives a very sweet smell, but it makes my hair really oily after applying. Let's say on the first day it doesn't make so oily, but the second day onwards it becomes really oily. So I will recommend to you, if you are just looking for some good serum and an affordable one, definitely this is available on Amazon with a good discount. So I will leave the product link below. You can please check it out. So these were all of my 5 top serums which are in the affordable range. And let me tell you, like whenever I wash my hair, I just when it is actually damp, I actually quickly apply the serum. I do a towel dry and I apply the serum, and after that you can just go for any blow dry or anything. So let me tell you which are the serums that I end up using frequently. So there are 3 serums that I end up using very frequently. Is this one, the Argan oil of Morocco, which is very good. It makes your hair really bouncy and really very smooth. This can actually be used as a pre-oiling and your post-wash like a serum kind of oil. It quickly absorbs in the scalp and everything. Of course, if you apply it to the direct scalp, then probably your hair will be really oily. But if you can just apply to your hair, I mean not to the scalp and just to the hair, it really makes your hair very silky. So this was one thing. And I again end up using this. I have used it a lot. This is my second bottle actually. So this was one. And the next one is the Parachute coconut serum oil. This is really good. I don't know why people have given a mixed reviews on this. So I have used it. It's really good. So these are the three main serums that I frequently use, which are in very affordable and good. So let me know how did you like this video, and do let me know in the comment section below if you want a review for any other product. I would be happy to do it. So please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. In the upcoming days I'll do more of product reviews, so please keep watching my channel and please do subscribe. Thank you, lots of love, stay gorgeous.